Hey beautiful people, it's Ashley here from Elemental Growth. I wanted to give you a DIY. I was getting a few questions just from family and friends about hand sanitizer. Even a few weeks ago, I went and visited a friend of mine at the mall, and they were selling out a $14 hand sanitizer just for $14 for a small bottle. And it's like, you guys, I'm going to give you a little bit of a rant here, and then I promise I will share the DIY. But hand sanitizer, you really don't need it. First of all, it's not necessarily going to help with the coronavirus that is spreading through breath and other things. The information around it is changing all the time, but if you feel like it's going to protect you, then do what's best for you and for your family. Where I stand, I think it's actually better that I nurture the beneficial bacteria. We are all bacteria. That's what we're made out of. And so I believe in nurturing what good bacteria is there. That way it can actually build up an army against these other things that may come into our effect. The best way to do that is through consuming whole foods and using whole foods on your body. Things like shea butter, I think, is really miraculous for our skin, but there are other things as well. If you want hand sanitizer, the best way to do this is to combine 2/3 cup of alcohol. That could be 100 proof vodka, or it could also be rubbing alcohol. This could be witch hazel. I think is probably the most natural way that you can do it if you can get your hands on some witch hazel. And you combine that with 1/3 a cup of aloe vera. You can just fillet the aloe vera leaf, or you can use an aloe vera gel. But that's the equation: 2/3 of alcohol to 1/3 of aloe vera. And then you can add in essential oils if you like as well. If you're really freaked out about this virus, maybe try some rosemary essential oils in there, or some lavender essential oils, things that'll be more calming, just having those smells around you. So that's where I'm at with the hand sanitizer, guys. Really all around, I think to nurture your immune system, it's going to be key here, and also just to calm down. Start thinking about what the blessings are here. You get to spend more time with your family. You get to take that well-needed break, well-deserved break from your work, whatever it is that you may have been doing, and so just enjoy it and make sure that you just have this time for yourself, and you try to keep a really centered mind. Panic and fear and all of these things are very powerful emotions, but if you just sit with them, acknowledge it, you can ground yourself and really come back into focus, tune more into those instincts, and create or cultivate some more positivity in your life. I love you all so very much. I'm going to make another video about disinfectant wipes. Again, there are a few recipes, things like that I can share with you. I just want to do it on a separate video so that I can keep these short enough that you guys can watch them while you're home with your kids and working and doing whatever else you're doing. Okay? I love you. I'll talk to you soon.